Hey, Money Magnets, we're going to tell you about a secret credit union that offers up to $30,000 credit cards, and it's better than Navy Federal.
And you know what, Glory, what I love about this credit union is based out of Pennsylvania, but anybody can join.
Anyone, Marvin?
Anybody.
Okay, Money Magnets, let's dive into what products they have to offer. The first card is the Classic card. Now, this card goes up to $30,000. That right there can be a cash flow changer for your pockets, okay? It also has a free credit score service. Now, this right here is a good way for you to keep track of your credit and know what's going on. I found out that a lot of cards are doing this. And, you know, we talk about this all the time, how important it is to monitor your credit, okay? Also, one thing I love about this card, Marvin, is that if you do a balance transfer, there's no additional fees to do that. You know, we also talk about how important it is to keep your utilization down. Now, if you have high utilization and you need to do some transfer, this would be a good card for that. Okay. This right here, guys, is a cash flow changer for you. Okay. You can do a cash advance with this card. And guess what? There's no cash advance fees. You know, you can't go wrong with that, because a lot of times when you go to the bank and you want to pull some money off that credit card, the fees are really, really high. So this way you can pull money right off the card. And if this is a big card, $30,000 is a lot. You know, you can pull money right off this card and there's no additional fees. But Marvin, let's dive into what some of the other benefits are.
All right. They got a card called the Founders Rewards card. All right. With this card, you get 2 or 1.5% back on every purchase. All right, just like you said before, no annual fee, no cash advance fee. They got 85,000 ATMs in their network where you can, like you said, pull cash off if you need it. I would suggest having over a 680 credit score if I'm applying for this, because the minimum credit limit is 5,000, the maximum is 30,000. And you know that's going to be determined by your credit score.
Marvin, that 30,000 can always light my pockets up.
Let's tell them about the alumni cards they got.
Okay, for all the Penn State alumni that are out there, they have 2 cards just for you, okay? So you don't want to sleep on this, because guess what? They did this for you guys, okay? So they have the Alumni Rewards card, okay? So with this card, it gives you from 2% to 1.5% cash back, as well as there's no annual fees. Can you imagine not having to pay anywhere from $50 to on up $125 a year just for an annual fee? Well, guess what? They wipe that right out, so you don't have to pay that. And they have the Alumni Classic card, and it's the same. You don't have to pay the annual fee, but it has a low APR. The interest rate on this card is only 12.9%. You can't beat that, Marvin. You know, and also they have balance transfers, which you don't pay anything on both cards for a balance transfer. And it's mobile friendly, as well as it also gives you your free credit score, again, which we talk about that, the importance of having great credit. So you don't want to sleep on these cards. But Marvin, let's dive into some of the other benefits that PSECU has to offer. We're going to jump right back into this video, but I just wanted to take a moment and share something with you. I know you're wondering, how can you qualify for this card if you don't have great credit? Well, guess what? I've been there before. I went through a bad divorce, I had collection accounts, and I even lost my business. Well, no worries. I have the solution for you. It's Luxury Credit Hacks. It's a 3-step process. Number 1, it imports the credit report for you in under 1 minute. Can you believe that? Step number 2, it creates your dispute letters for you. You don't have to think about it. And number 3, it emails it to you. So then all you have to do is print, mail, and you're done. All the work is done for you. Let's head right back over to the video.
Look, they also have secured cards. So with you guys that have trouble with your credit, you may be building credit, or maybe you've never had credit at all, you can use the secured card to actually start building credit and saving money at the same time. They use your collateral that you're going to put in a savings account, which could be anywhere from $200 all the way up to $2,500, which will graduate into an unsecured card. And also, you guys, they got business credit cards. If you want to get a free business strategy call, because business cards and lines and loans are a little bit different, we offer a free business strategy call so that we can help you raise money for your business. So make sure that you get in touch with us. But Gloria, let's also tell them about the auto loans.
Okay, Marvin, with the auto loans, okay, so you can finance a new car or a used car. So it doesn't have to be brand new. That's one thing that I love, you know, because some places only allow you to finance new cars.
Right. And guess what, guys? You can also buy out a lease. And if you wanted to refinance your car, let's just say you went to a local car lot, you got a really high interest rate, but now you want to bring that rate down because your credit is better, you can actually refinance an existing auto loan. And for you guys that want to travel a lot, they even have RV loans. And for you business owners, if you're looking for a box truck or maybe some other equipment or another type of vehicle, you can actually buy a business vehicle with PSECU.
And Marvin, let's not forget, now Money Magnets, if you are interested in business credit or financing on the business side, just let us know, because guess what? Business and personal is totally separate. So what you do on your business side doesn't show up on the personal side, and we can show you how to do that. Okay, well now Marvin, let's dive into the mortgages. Let's look at what they have on the mortgage side.
Awesome. All right, Gloria. So one of the first things they have is a first-time home buyer program. So if you've never bought a home before, this is a perfect place to start. Or if you want an adjustable rate mortgage, you might want to check this out. And they even have the jumbo fixed and adjustable rate mortgages. And those are really cool. People kind of sleep on the adjustable rate, and you can kind of change your payment. Say if you're a doctor or a lawyer or a professional, and you know that you're going to get raises the next 2 or 3 years, you may want to check out an adjustable rate mortgage. And also, if anybody has any experience with this credit union, make sure you comment below.
Okay, Marvin, let's do a quick recap.
Okay.
So Money Magnets, this particular credit union, they do pull experience.
Yes.
Okay. And you can double dip with them. So when they do that initial pull, your pull is good. So they don't have to do another pull for the products, you know? So it's good for 30 days. So make sure that you go ahead and get approved for some of these great products that they have to offer.
And the cool thing about it, make sure that you have less than 3 inquiries on your experience. Also with your check systems, don't go open up a bunch of checking accounts. Make sure it's less than 3 in the last 6 months, because otherwise you can get denied for membership. We've seen this happen. And you can also join the Pennsylvania Consumer Council. That's probably one of the easiest ways where everybody in the U.S. can join and become a member. They also have the Pennsylvania Recreational and Parks. So it's really easy to join. You only got to put $5 in an account to become a member.
And also, Marvin, let's not forget, if you have a family member that's already a part of this credit union, you can join, as well as if you have a friend that lives in your household, they can join as well. Okay, hold up, Marvin. I have a gem. Okay, Money Magnets, if you're looking for another credit union that's better than Navy Federal, check out this next video.
I'm Mr. Smith.
And I'm Mrs. Smith.
And we're here to help empower your finances.